So we have something a little different here for you today. One of our wholesale dealers that we do a lot of business with, his father-in-law ran the company and had quite a few cars tucked away. Not sure on where this car came into play in that collection, but him knowing that we purchase a lot of trucks and definitely a lot of odd vehicles, he brought this car to our attention, and of course we purchased it. I wanted to do a quick video. This car just came in 15 minutes ago. We have not touched it yet. As you can see from the photos, the blue is still on the tires, so somebody has just put front tires on the car. 1997 inspection. Has a little bit of an odor of old fuel, so we would assume that it has done some sitting. And this car is awful original. 4-speed, factory Corvette radio, all the factory gauges, some kind of paperwork there. This car is a little before our time, so we don't really know, or I don't really know, what features it would have had or not had. It appears it's had a repaint. It does have the removable top. Starting to rain, so I'll make this quick, but we just wanted to do a quick video just showing the originalness of this car. I know most of them have the exhaust dumping just like that. Really solid car. Rally wheels. Most of the stuff under the hood looks pretty original. Have to assume it's a 350 car. They were 305s and 350 in this year. Have not tried the headlights yet, but we will. Vacuum operated headlights, they're kind of a pain sometimes. We'll be trying those. It says 350 400 cubic inch 4-barrel carburetor, so this might have been just prior to the emissions. It does not have any smog tubes, that's good. Factory manifolds. But overall, pretty original car, good looking car. This car is going to be very affordable. If everything goes right, it will be under 15 grand, or right at 15. So somebody's will get a nice car for a good dollar. Not to mention the all-American sports car. This wasn't the most popular body style, but for a Corvette collector, I guess if you have one, you want them all. So the Stingray will turn somebody's head, especially for the dollar amount. If you've got any questions, again, feel free to call. Check the website. We don't always have cars, most of the time trucks, of course. We can help you with something, big or small, tow vehicle, pleasure vehicle, toy, whatever you want. We'll try to take care of you. 804-271-0030. DavisAutosales.com or Davis4x4.com. Thanks for watching.